Want to become fluent in a new language but not sure where to start? With so much language learning content online, it's tough to find reliable, engaging resources. High-quality language learning YouTube channels can guide you with expert lessons, practical tips, and cultural insights. Let's explore 10 top channels that will boost your language learning journey. First up, LanguagePod 101. They offer audio and video lessons focusing on everyday conversation for practical usage. Whether you're learning Spanish, French, Japanese, or more, they've got you covered. Next, Easy Languages. This channel features real-life street interviews with native speakers, helping you understand how languages are used in daily life, complete with subtitles for better learning. Ollie Richards specializes in storytelling techniques for language acquisition, making language learning engaging and easy to follow. For those learning Japanese, Learn Japanese with Yuta focuses on practical Japanese, with cultural insights, pronunciation tips, and casual conversation. Inner French is perfect for French learners, helping you develop listening skills through podcasts and stories designed for intermediate learners. Français Authentique offers a wide range of French lessons focused on improving your comprehension, listening, and speaking skills entirely in French. Lingua Marina is great for English learners, providing tips on grammar, vocabulary, and American culture, delivered by a non-native speaker who mastered English. Learn German with Anja offers fun and energetic lessons that simplify German grammar, vocabulary, and conversational phrases. Polyglot Stories, hosted by Steve Kaufman, shares insights on language learning from a polyglot who speaks more than 20 languages, with advice on how to stay motivated. Lastly, Spanish and Go offers immersive travel and culture-focused Spanish lessons, helping you learn the language and explore the culture simultaneously. These channels are packed with lessons, tips, and authentic content for learners of all levels. Subscribe, immerse yourself, and make your language learning journey more fun and effective.